Let me ask you something simple. If someone promised to double your money fast, would you listen? Most Americans would. That's exactly how Wall Street scams start. Today, I'm going to explain how Wall Street scams really work in the simplest way possible. By the end of this video, you'll be able to spot a scam before it touches your money. What is Wall Street? First, let's clear this up. Wall Street is not just a street, it's a symbol. It means big money, stocks, banks, investment firms. Some people there make money the right way. Others make money by tricking regular Americans. Today, we're talking about the second group. Rule number 1. Scams are not about math. Here's the biggest secret. Wall Street scams are not about numbers, they're about human behavior. Scammers don't study finance. They study fear, greed, pressure. They know people want fast money, people hate missing out, people trust confident voices. That's the real game. Call number 1, the pump and dump. This is the most common Wall Street scam. Let me explain it like you're 5. Step 1, buy cheap trash. Scammers buy a worthless stock, usually a small company no one knows. Step 2, create excitement. They say things like, "This stock is about to explode," "Big news coming," "Institutions are buying." They use phone calls, emails, social media, fake hype. This part is called the pump. Step 3, dump on you. Once regular people buy in, the scammer sells. The price crashes, they keep the money, you keep the loss. That's the dump. This scam was shown in The Wolf of Wall Street. Scam number 2, fake investment advisors. This one is very common in the USA. Someone says, "I'm a professional investment advisor." They look legit, they sound confident, but they're not registered, they're not regulated, they're not honest. Real advisors are registered with the SEC. Scammers are not. They push risky investments, high fees, and products that pay them, not you. If someone earns money when you buy, not when you grow, that's a red flag. Scam number 3, guaranteed returns. Let me be very clear. There is no such thing as guaranteed returns in the stock market. None. Even the best investors in America cannot guarantee returns. Guarantees belong in warranties, insurance, not investing. Scam number 4, insider tips. This sounds exciting. I have inside information. No, they don't. Real insider trading is illegal, and regular people don't get access to it. If someone claims they have secret info, early access, private tips, they're either lying or setting you up. Either way, walk away. Why people fall for scams? Scams work because they feel urgent. Scammers say, "Act now. Don't miss this. This won't last." Smart investing is slow. Scams are rushed. Smart investing is boring. Scams are exciting. That's how they win. How Americans can protect themselves. Here are simple rules. Rule 1, if you don't understand it, don't invest. Rule 2, if it sounds too good, it is. Rule 3, check registration on official sources. Rule 4, real wealth takes time. Most American millionaires didn't get rich fast, they got rich slow and steady. Final message. Wall Street scams are not magic. They are pressure, lies, emotions. Once you understand how they work, they lose their power. Remember, fast money talks loud. Smart money stays quiet. If this video helped you understand Wall Street in a simple way, you're already ahead of most people. If you want more videos where US finance is explained, hit like, subscribe, and comment "Smart Money" below. More simple finance videos coming soon.